We've all been there, staring at a blank report while deadlines loom, wondering how to turn a maze of data into a stakeholder friendly update. Sound familiar? Project managers waste hours juggling fragmented tools only to deliver unclear summaries that leave executives scratching their heads. The Stakeholder Communication Pack fixes this with customizable status report templates using dynamic data fields, executive summary frameworks built on the pyramid principle, stakeholder specific presentation decks with segmentation logic, and meeting playbooks embedding RACI matrices. Whether you're a project manager, team lead, or product owner juggling cross functional chaos, this pack turns confusion into clarity. Because, let's face it, nobody's waiting for another update on the update email. Here's what's inside the Stakeholder Communication Pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies to prioritize KPIs, executive summary templates using the SCQA storytelling structure, slide decks with adaptive visuals for technical versus non technical audiences, meeting playbooks featuring pre workshop alignment surveys and decision tracking dashboards, communication strategy blueprints mapping stakeholder influence versus interest. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your stakeholders won't just understand, they'll be excited to hit approve. Installing the Stakeholder Communication Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add stakeholder-comms-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: status report generators, presentation frameworks, and meeting facilitation scripts, all pre integrated. Open your next Claude Code session, and boom, your AI knows how to structure a C-suite summary, visualize burn-down charts, and script stakeholder Q&A. No more, "I'll send that deck later," because now you can build it mid-meeting. Your projects deserve better than misaligned priorities. Time to ship clarity.